Hiya! In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make this jump ring flower stitch marker. I'm going to be making this using products that I was sent by BeeBeeCraft.com. So these are the jump rings I'll be using, they're different coloured ones. So to start off with, I will be using 3 pink, 3 blue, 3 green ones, and then 3 smaller silver ones. Apologies in advance for all this blurriness, my camera did not want to focus. I'm going to take one of the smaller silver jump rings and I'm going to open that up. Then I'm going to attach one green one and one blue one. You can make these with any colour you don't like, you don't have to do 3 colours, you can do all one colour if you want. So I've attached those two, and then I'm going to close up the silver one. And then I'll lay that down. Then I'm going to open another small silver one, attach it to the blue one that is already attached to the green, to start making like a little chain, and then attach a pink one, and then again I'm going to close it up. Then I'm going to attach another small silver one, the last one, to the green one at one end, basically the 2 end ones, so the green one and the pink one, and close that up. This is very fiddly if you use really small jump rings. But BeeBeeCraft have so many jump rings, all different colours as well, so you can make these in loads of different colours. Now, just to show you, I'm going to put this into some blue tack just to stand it up. Usually I just hold it in my hands, but that you would not be able to see on camera. So I'm just going to lay this down. And I pretty much want the silver jump rings to be stood up on this side. So I'm just using the blue tack to hold them in place, so you can actually kind of see what I'm doing. Okay, so when that's done, I'm then going to be placing jump rings over the top of the silver jump rings. So just place them over the top like that, so it's not actually connected to them. So I'm going to do one pink one and one blue one over the next one. So the silver ring should be actually poking up through the middle of it. Then I'm going to get another pink jump ring. This time I'm going to open it up, and I'm going to feed it through the 2 silver hoops that have the jump rings laying over the top of them. So I'm going to carefully go basically over the top of the one that's around the jump ring, underneath the silver jump ring and back up, and you want to weave under the next silver jump ring, and you want it over the top of the ones that are laying on top of the silver ones, and that will hold them down in place without actually being connected to them. Then I'll close it up. Then I'm going to lay it back down to lay flat so you can see what I'm doing. Once it's got that first hoop in, the silver rings should actually stand up on the sides by themselves. There's still one that I haven't touched yet, that one. So then I'm going to put a green ring on top of that last one. Then I'm going to get a blue one, open it up and thread it through another 2 of the next 2 in the row. So basically the last one that I just went through, and then the next one. Again, going under and through that silver, and then through the next one, making sure you stay on top of the larger jump rings. Then I will close that, and then the last one is actually so much more easy. It actually goes through a lot easier. It's a lot less fiddly because the jump rings are all standing up in place. They've all been gone through at least once. Okay, so I'm taking the green one. Like I say, it stands up by itself, so you don't need to. I don't need to keep it in the blue tack. So I've read the green ones through the last two that haven't been put through, because those silver jump rings will have to go through 2 jump rings through each of the silver ones. And that's your flower done. That's like so simple. Like I say, you can do these in all one colour, even more colours, but I like this the way this free looked. And then you just have to attach it to some sort of finding. So I'm using a lobster clasp, and you can use like certain earring findings just to make this into a stitch marker, or you can just use it as a charm. So I just took another small split ring, attaching it to the flower, and then attaching it to the lobster clasp, and that's it, you're done. Simple as that. So well, I say simple, it is a bit fiddly at the beginning, but once you get the hang of it, you can make so many of these, and they're so cute. So if you're interested in any craft supplies and things, BeeBeeCraft has a YouTube program where they will actually send you some products, and you can do an unboxing and do some tutorials with it, and they'll send it to you for free. You can apply to do that in the address that I'll put below. That's just if you're interested in that, because that's what I did, and there's some really good stuff on there. I'm not just saying that. I spent ages looking for that website. So I hope you enjoyed this one. Thanks for watching. Bye.